going to talk about compression. So what is the meaning of compression? That we can, with the help of compression, we can reduce the size of file. So as I am telling about the example, I have a file ABC and the size of that particular file is 100 MB. If I will pass this file through the compression algorithms like that GZIP and BZIP, so what happened after applying this compression algorithm, the file size will get reduced. What is the major advantage? Bandwidth requirement for transmitting 100 MB is more as compared to transmitting 30 MB. It's very simple. When we want to download some file from internet, if I am downloading a 100 MB file, it will take more time as compared to downloading 30 MB file. This is one example. So compression is useful when you want to reduce the size without changing the meaning of data. So for compressing, multiple utilities are used. So we are going to discuss about two utilities. One is GZIP and another one is BZIP, which is most common one. Apart from GZIP and BZIP, there is a multiple compression algorithms exist with the different features. So you can explore more once you want. So for example, I am going to start from the same file. Like that, I created a group of file with the name of day3 tar, and I want to see all the activities, all the detail about this particular file that is called day3.tar. So what is the size is available? 10240. If I want to see this size in human readable form, because here after seeing this particular size, I am not able to understand it is kilobyte, megabyte or anything. If I want to see this information in human readable format, so from here I get to know that it is talking about 10K bits. It is talking about 10K bits. Now, if I will compress this file, definitely the size of this file will get changed. So I will show you practically how you can compress. You can write GZIP and the name of file is day3.tar. If what you need to write, the compression you want to use and the file name on which you want to perform compression. So I want to perform compression on a file that is called day3.tar. Now do ls. You can check the name of this file is now day3.tar.gz. So from here I get to idea that this file is get compressed. Now check for verifying this. Again, I will use the same command initially ls-l. Now what is the size? 149 bits. Initially the size is 10240 bits. If I want to see in human readable format, you can check. It is not even showing in the form of bits. So what is coming? The file size will get reduced to 149 bits, not even in kilobits, 149 bits. Now you will say how we can decompress it. For decompressing, if you have compressed any file using GZIP, for decompression also the same utility is required. So for decompression, what I will write GZIP -d and day3.tar.gz, the name of file. Enter, do ls. Again, you can able to see the file name is day3.tar. And now what is the beauty of compression? Now when I will again see the size of this, so you can check what is the size, again become 10K. It is reduces or compresses the size. Once you decompress, it will come back into the original size. So this is the mechanism which is used, and it is very useful when we have huge number of files and we want to send to someone. The first step, what we will perform, we will create the archive of all those files. Then we will compress and we will send that file to intended receiver. Similar action you can able to perform with BZIP also. So as I told you, when we have gone through this GZIP, you have seen that after compression, the size become 149 bits, 149 bits. Now I am going to follow the same practice with BZIP, and you will check that what is the impact of it. So now the name of file is day3.tar. The size is 10K. For BZIP, the utility name is BZIP2. I want to compress, so the file name is day3.tar. Now check the size after compression. So first check, yes, it will get compressed. And right now what extension is coming? .bz2. What is the extension? .bz2. So that .bz2 tells you it is compressed with the BZIP compression tool. How I will verify the size? Again, I will use ls-l day3. Now, what is the size? 166 bits. You have seen that the size in GZIP is compressed more. So we can set the compression parameter also. It's depend upon the type of files. So now you can check. Now, if you want to extract the file from BZIP utility, what you can use, you will use BZIP 2-d again day3.tar, and you can check. Okay, again that bz is removed from the file name. Again, it will become the normal tar file, and you will check that what is the size of this tar file. Check again, it will get revoked to the 10K. So compression is very useful when you want to transmit some information from one device to another device. So this is about the compression. We discussed about BZIP and GZIP.